Laugh all morning. Hopefully you get all the packages that you need in time for the holidays, and if not, you still have a week or so to shop local, as Michelle was saying earlier, right?
Yep, exactly. And for those delivery drivers out on the roads today, still icy in those neighborhood streets, so you got to be careful, right? Taking a look at the conditions outside, all the typical post-storm stuff we deal with here in New England. Looking at our Newport Harbor camera, we've got some snow on the rooftops, sidewalks still, and even some of the parking lots snow covered this morning, so that's why we've been in a weather alert today. It will bring it back down to the green. Our storm's over. We're looking at improving conditions. In fact, getting back to some sunshine, but it's a chilly weekend ahead. Well below normal temperatures today and tomorrow. Gradually getting back to near normal highs as we head into next week. And speaking of next week, a couple of things I'm going to be keeping my eye on. One is an offshore storm on Monday. The other is another system that may try to come through here Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. And we'll be fine-tuning the timing of that. But right now it looks wet and not white for Santa. Looking at our temperatures right now, a lot of snow on the ground with these temperatures in the 20s, 25 Newport, 26 in Providence, and 24 in Smithfield. Wind chills are in the teens this morning, and we've got a cold day ahead. The good news is the winds will be diminishing and the clouds are going to gradually move out too. So while we're overcast to start, we do eventually get back to some sunshine. We've also been tracking some ocean effect snow and rain showers, real light stuff that's been forming all morning long from Plymouth and the South Shore of Boston to the Cape, and that's ongoing and may last another few hours before diminishing. That's why the National Weather Service put this area under a winter weather advisory until 10 o'clock in the morning. The rest of us, we're just waiting on the clouds to clear out. So still cloudy through the late morning, but by afternoon we start to see some clearing. The temperature is very slow to climb with the overcast skies, the cold air. So we're looking at highs maybe briefly hitting the freezing mark, only around 31, 32 for the high today, and then clear skies heading into this evening. And that's going to allow for a cold night for us. We're down to about 15 overnight tonight with light variable winds and dry air. Here's the temperatures by 8 o'clock in the evening. Lower 20s Providence, 20 Fall River, and when we wake up on Saturday morning, about 14 degrees in the capital city, and Coventry, 12 in Pasco. Certainly would expect to see a few spots that could dip into the single digits late tonight. Tomorrow afternoon, 30 to 35. A bright day ahead for us and a dry day, all courtesy of this area of high pressure that's building in behind our departing storm system. So as that moves out and the high moves in, clear, dry conditions expected. So that'll last through at least the first half of the weekend. Second half of the weekend, Sunday, increasing clouds. And while we're dry in the morning, we could see a couple of these light rain or wet snow showers come through by the end of the day and evening. Doesn't look like a big system for us, but one thing I'll be watching is whether another storm develops once that front has come through. And that right now looks like it may miss us offshore, but if it tracks a little bit closer, then we'll have to add some precipitation into the forecast for Monday. So be on the lookout for that 7-day forecast. We're in the middle 30s with, again, mainly sunny skies on Saturday, just increasing clouds in the evening, down to 22 Saturday night. So a cold start, but a high on Sunday near 40 degrees. Monday is in the middle 40s, cool and dry for Tuesday and Wednesday. And then just looking ahead here to Thursday, Friday, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, could get a strong cold front coming through. There's a lot of moisture ahead of it, so some heavy rain possible, and could be strong enough to bring some stronger wind gusts and even possibly some damaging wind gusts. So we'll be monitoring that. WPRI.com. You can head there anytime throughout the day today or weekend to get the latest forecast.